Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare GitHub versus Code Connect. GitHub is a web-based platform for version control using Git, enabling millions of developers to collaborate on projects. Code Connect, on the other hand, is a powerful feature within Visual Studio Code, designed to provide seamless remote development experiences. We'll explore their distinct functionalities and how they serve different aspects of the development workflow, helping you understand when to leverage each tool effectively. GitHub serves as a central hub for open source and private projects, offering robust features like pull requests for code review, comprehensive issue tracking, and integrated project management tools. It fosters collaboration among development teams, allowing for efficient code sharing and version control across diverse geographical locations. With over 100 million users, it's a cornerstone for modern software development. Code Connect, integrated directly into Visual Studio Code, empowers developers to work on remote machines with the full power of their local editor. This means you can access powerful cloud-based development environments or even a local machine in another location, ensuring a consistent setup regardless of your physical workstation. It's ideal for maintaining a standardized development environment and leveraging high-performance computing resources. In summary, GitHub is your go-to platform for source code management, team collaboration, and project hosting, facilitating the entire software development lifecycle. Code Connect, conversely, is specifically engineered for remote development, allowing you to connect to and work within a development environment hosted elsewhere, all from your familiar Visual Studio Code interface. Choose GitHub for project collaboration and Code Connect for remote coding efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.